Hello, my adoring fans. Tasty breakfast this morning without any green, so doubly tasty. No, I missed the spinach actually, which is quite a sad sentence to say, but anyway, I walked to work and it was classically very full on a Wednesday. Always full, always makes me feel like it was a total waste of time going in. Fortunately, I had a trip to see the personal trainer with Maddie at lunch. So I actually did leave work, went to the gym, rushed back, had a shower. I think I did a bit of work. I think I actually did some work before having a shower. But you know, there's no disasters. Everything was fine. And then had some food, and this was some like egg, bacon, bean, lettuce, cheese, salad thing. Pretty good combo, to be honest. Sounds not great when you say it like that, but I promise you it was tasty. No, I did some more work. La 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 la. Worky work. And then Maddie was out this evening, but before she went out, she made some food. I think she's going to reheat hers later. But all I've been doing is sitting around and playing Crusader Kings 3. And we firmly control Brittany now, so excellent news. Anyway, I hope you all had a good day. And adieu!